If you're confused between Helium 10 and Smartscout for Amazon FBA, here's the simple difference. Helium 10 is an all-in-one Amazon seller tool. If you want to find products, do keyword research, optimize listings, track profits, and manage your Amazon business in one place, Helium 10 is probably the better choice. It's especially useful for beginners and private label sellers who want everything in one dashboard. Smartscout is more focused on deep product and competitor research. It helps you discover winning brands, analyze competitors, track sellers, and find hidden opportunities in the Amazon marketplace. If your goal is finding profitable niches and spying on successful sellers, Smartscout is incredibly powerful. So which one is better? If you want an all-in-one tool to run and grow your Amazon FBA business, go with Helium 10. If you care more about competitor research, brand analysis, and finding product opportunities, Smartscout is the better option. Personally, a lot of serious sellers use both. Helium 10 for execution and Smartscout for research. Also, I've added exclusive discount links in the description. If you get Helium 10 through my link, you can get up to 30% off automatically. And if you choose Smartscout, you'll get 25% off with the discount already applied through the description link. Check the links below and choose the one that fits your Amazon FBA goals.